Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to set work profile on Android. First things first, open your Android device settings, then scroll down until you find the Google section, then just tap on Google. Then you want to scroll further to find Setup and Restore within the Google settings. Then just tap on Set up your work profile and you'll receive information about the work profile setup. So just click on Next. The device will then begin downloading necessary resources. So just wait for this process to complete. And it may ask for permissions to access the camera for picture and video capabilities. Just click Allow if you want to. Then scan the provided code from your IT admin using the camera or manually enter the code by selecting Enter Code Manually. So, once the code is scanned or entered, just proceed by clicking Done. And you'll be able to set up your work profile on Android. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.